Welcome back. In this video, we are going to stop the physics once the game is done. So once we won the game, so to speak. And I would recommend that you try to solve this yourself. You can now pause the video and try to fix it. If you look at the screen, you will get quite a hint already how to basically stop our maze to move towards the left or right. Okay, I hope you paused the video and tried it. Basically here in our player, so once you click on the player, you will see that it has all of those components, right? And the component that we're going to look at is going to be the event trigger. And here, once we have this pointer down condition, basically once we click on the ball, once it is here at the bottom, so once we click on the player, the winning UI will appear. But we need to add something else. And that is, we need to make sure that our super parent's rigid body is going to be kinematic, set to true. And the same goes for our parent. So click on the player, drag the parent down in here, or just select the parent from the scene here. You could just enter parent here, select it, and now make sure that the rigid body is kinematic is also set to true. So now at this point, let's run the game and see if this is going to work. So rotating it towards the right, starting to rotate towards the left. And I really think we should make it a little faster towards the left. Then starting to rotate towards the right already. And once again, so it stops rotating soon. So you see it's still rotating. And now let's win the game. And you see we won, and at the same time the rotation stopped, because now we made our parent as well as super parent kinematic, which means they will not be influenced by physics anymore. And the way we move the maze in general is by applying physics to it. Because if you look at it, we are applying a constant force of a relative torque. Basically, we're rotating this thing with physics. So our maze is rotated with the torque physics. So with this, our game is actually done. So now, of course, we would have to have a way to reset the game and replay it, so to speak. But the general concept of the game is done. So we have a game where we can interact with the game, and we have a certain winning condition that we can achieve by interacting with the game. And that's it. So basically we built the game already and we didn't write a single line of code, and that's the cool thing. So the idea behind this was really just to show you that you can do quite some things in Unity without even writing a single line of code. Of course, you are very limited in what you can do and you will need code. And we're going to go over code in depth in the next chapter, but we're not fully done with this game yet. We still will add some audio, we will polish the game a little, and yeah, even some more polishing. So see you in the next video.